Hello students, as we know there are 7 different treatment of bills of exchange. Today in this video we'll be learning the 5th treatment, that is retirement of bill. Now let us see what happens in case of retirement of bill. Now there is a situation जहाँ पे ड्रॉई के पास ड्यू डेट से पहले पैसा आ चुका है एंड इन दैट केस ड्रॉई ड्रॉअर के पास जाता है एंड ही सेज कि आई विल गिव यू मनी इन एडवांस. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल कि 3 मंथ्स का बिल है and after 3 months drawer is supposed to receive money from Roy, but Roy comes 1 month before the due date and he says that I already have money right now with me, you accept it. What do you think? Drawer will say no? Of course not. He will definitely accept that money. Why? Because he is receiving money in advance. एक महीना जल्दी पैसा मिल रहा है, कौन मना करेगा? But Roy is also smart. What Roy will do is Roy will ask for certain discount. वो क्या बोलेगा कि if I am giving you 1 month in advance, at least give me some concession, some discount. Now, will drawer say no? Most of the cases, drawer will say yes. Okay, fine. You want discount? I'll give you, but give me money now itself, because drawer will never wait till the due date. Huh? If there is nothing called retirement of bill, then drawer will definitely have to wait for due date. बट अगर ड्रॉई सामने से आ गया और वो खुद ही बोल रहा है कि आई एम रेडी टू गिव यू मनी नाउ, तो ड्रॉवर बोलेगा ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू अ डिस्काउंट. हियर ड्रॉवर इज नॉट गेटिंग द एंटायर अमाउंट, ड्रॉवर विल गेट सर्टेन reduced amount, that is nothing but discount, which drawer will have to give it to Roy for making the payment 1 month before, and that is called retirement of bill. So is there any possibility here in this case कि bill dishonor हो सकता है? नहीं, bill dishonor होगा ही नहीं. Why not? Because Roy पहले एडवांस में आके पैसा देके जा रहा है, so there is no question of dishonor of bill. मतलब यहाँ पे bill honor ही हो रहा है, but we won't call it as honor. Why? Because honor is not happening on the due date. Honor is happening before due date, and that's the reason we are not calling it as honor of bill. We are calling it as retirement of bill. So bill is getting retired 1 month before, or maybe 1 month, 15 days, 2 months, depending on when Roy is coming. So इस केस में क्या एंट्रीज पास होगी? So let us look at the journal entries from both the point of view, in the books of drawer and in the books of Roy. So again, sale will be what? Roy's account debit to sales account. Why Roy's account debit? Because debit the receiver, Roy is receiver. And why sales account credit? Because credit all incomes and gains. And in the books of Roy, the entry for the purchase will be purchases account debit to drawer's account. Why purchases account debit? Because purchases are expense and debit all expenses and losses. And why drawer's account credit? Because credit the giver. After this, drawer draws the bill and Roy accepts the bill and gives it back to drawer. So drawer is receiving the acceptance. For receiving acceptance, the entry will be bills receivable account debit to Roy's account. Why bills receivable account debit? Because debit what comes in. And why Roy's account credit? Because credit the giver. And here in the books of Roy, for giving acceptance, the entry will be drawer's account debit to bills payable account. Why drawer's account debit? Because debit the receiver. And why bills payable credit? Because credit what goes out. After this, he is retaining that bill with himself, so there will be no entry for retaining of bill. But now, before due date, Roy comes and Roy says that, I will give you money in advance. So drawer is receiving cash, so cash account debit. But drawer is allowing some kind of a discount for making the prepayment. So and that discount is called as rebate. So there will be new account called rebate account. It is our loss, it is our expense, you have to debit it because that is our loss. So rebate account debit and bills receivable credit. So your entry becomes like this: cash account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable account. Here in the books of Roy, your entry will be what? Bills payable account debit to cash bank account to discount account. Here Roy will not call it as rebate. Why? Because rebate is the word which is used for an expense and not for an income or gain. Whereas if discount given is expense for drawer, so discount received is an income for Roy. But that income, that gain, it's a gain, cannot be represented by the word rebate, and that's the reason they are using the word discount only. So entry in the books of Roy will be bills payable account debit to cash bank to discount, and in the books of drawer, the entry will be cash bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable account. That's it. These many entries will come because there is no question of dishonor of bill. So only honor is happening, but honor is happening before due date, and that's the reason we are calling it as retirement of bill. And point to be noted that rebate is an expense for drawer and that rebate is called discount for Troy and that is a gain for Troy. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood the entire case. I hope you have liked this video and you can share it with your friends and you can subscribe to our channel Target Publication. Thank you.